Hello and welcome, my name is Nathan from iSingWorship, and today I'll be doing a helpful little video about how you can use iSingWorship as a platform for your worship services. For those unfamiliar with the iSingWorship app, it is a highly intelligent and intuitive platform for facilitating sung worship, perfect for churches, small groups, or even personal use. iSingWorship has a really easy to understand interface which will help you engage and inspire people in worship. And by following this guide, you'll feel like having your very own skilled band working with you as you lead your services through. For you veterans of the app, this guide will highlight some of the much requested features we have introduced to give your services that much more flexibility. And for you newcomers, this video will act as a helpful little guide to show you just how easy it is to lead through a service when using the iSingWorship platform. For those of you that don't already have the iSingWorship app installed, you'll need to download it from our website. To do so, simply navigate to our website at iSingWorship.com. Click onto the downloads and you'll be able to download it for either Mac, Windows, iOS or Android. Once you have downloaded the application, you'll need to log in. Either click login or sign up if you have not already got an account, and you'll be able to do so. This account will contain all your songs that you've subscribed for, as well as the purchases that you have made on this account. Once you're into the app, you'll be greeted with the play page. From this screen, you'll be able to run the service. It will automatically display the lyrics to the congregation, and if you want to, you'll be able to make changes to the songs live. The app will do so automatically and make changes in a musically sensitive and intelligent way. Now, this screen's empty at the moment as I haven't selected a song we'd like to play. To do so, we simply navigate to the top left of the screen and click the Songs button up here. This will show our library of songs we have downloaded and give us this page just here. The iSingWorship app comes with 3 free previews for you to use right away. The 2 primary ways of getting new songs are either to subscribe to us and get our entire library, or you can buy songs additionally individually. The songs in the app are music especially designed for worship settings, which are in musical keys friendly for both male and female groups to sing along to. In this instance, I will use the subscription library to pick the song I desire to play. Simply type in the song in the search bar, or you can find it from the list. For this example, I'm going to use Amazing Grace. If you don't have the song already downloaded, you'll need to click the download button first. Clicking on the song brings you through to the play page, which shows you the arrangement from top to bottom and enables you to play through the track. However, if you want to use the app in much more than a simple player of the song, you can do so, and I'll highlight a couple of those easy features and show you just how easy it is to do this. For this example, I'll show you a simple way of putting together multiple tracks for a worship service. This is one of the more common ways of using iSingWorship in a service. To create this set, click Songs in the top left corner of the screen, then navigate to the bottom and click Playlist. This will help us create a playlist of songs, much like a worship team with a selection of songs or set of songs for a Sunday morning. Now I have in mind to begin the service with 3 songs, followed by a kids song after the welcome from the leader. To do this, I'll click Create New Playlist and input the name of the playlist into this box just here. From here, I'm going to click Add a Song, which will show me the page of songs that I have downloaded, and I'm going to click Amazing Grace to start it off. I'm going to repeat this process with the next 2 songs. Now, if I want the playlist to pause nicely for the leader to speak before the kids song, I can do this by adding a pause. I can do this just by clicking on this section just here. This will ensure the kids song doesn't play until I press play again. Then I'll pop the kids song in at the end just after these by clicking Add Song. You can change the order by clicking on the edit and dragging the song to where you'd like to. You can either put it to the bottom or the top and rearrange it as you so desire. If you don't want to have the song in the set anymore, simply click it and drag it to the bottom and let go, and this will remove the song. Once we're happy, we can click Done in the top left corner and then press play to play the playlist. As we can see, the app has neatly ordered the list of songs we wanted, ready to play from the top to the bottom, so we have it all arranged just here. From Amazing Grace into Graves into Garden, followed by the pause, then into Great Big God. When we press start, the app will begin the song and make its way through the typical arrangement of the song, moving down through each section, and it will highlight what will happen next by showing a little next symbol at the end of each line. The best part is the app will automatically play through this order without any other instructions needed. All you have to do is press start. This is one of the easiest ways of using the iSingWorship application. It's takes all the stress out of running the service with no distracting adverts, buffering, or bad recordings of songs interrupting the flow of the service. Unlike a video that runs through from start to finish, you can change the song order as you see fit. Simply click on a section and it will show the next to show you where the app's going. If you wish to repeat a section, click on the section again and this will show that it's going to repeat once. If you would like to repeat this again, you can click on it again and this section will keep repeating. This will continue to do so indefinitely. Once you're happy, you can click on a new section and the normal playthrough will resume from that point. For the sake of time, I'm going to skip ahead to show you how the transition occurs. If you wish to end the song earlier, you can click on the end once and the app will take you through to a musical ending once that section is finished. I'll just skip ahead to show you that transition now. If you want to end sooner, you can click on it again and the music will subtly fade out, letting you finish the song earlier without it feeling abrupt. From the play section, you can change the display options. Simply click on the display options button, which will bring up the settings for you. You can click on the default background to change the background that you're using. We have an extensive library of options from here, including motion and simple ones. You can toggle showing the chords to the congregation, as well as dialing in any external monitor settings as you desire. The audio settings help you to tailor the songs further for your needs. For example, suppose you're playing in a smaller, more intimate setting. In that case, you may wish to toggle off the main instruments, leaving only the acoustic track. Or, alternatively, disable the acoustic track and play along with yourself with the chords displayed as a supplement for a service or for a worship team rehearsal. Similarly, you can play around with how loud you want the vocals to be quieter as a guide, or entirely off. Whatever your preference, you can tailor the tracks to match your needs. The last feature I'll highlight is the 3 modes of play at the bottom of the screen. These 3 modes are ways of controlling the dynamics of the music, so how softly or loudly the music is played, which you control by clicking on one of these 3 modes. The app determines the most musically intelligent way of transitioning to these new dynamics when you activate them, and that's the great thing, is you don't need to work out the timings or be musical, as our setting will ensure that the transitions are fluid and musical. For example, I've started this song in the talk mode, which is the quietest and represents a soft instrumental loop where it's easy to talk to the congregation. This functions as if you've asked the band to play more quietly so you can speak over them without playing over you or taking the song somewhere new. This can be as long as you want it to be, and when you want to return to the song, simply click the next section you'd like to go to and it will cue it in. By default, this returns to the full mode of play, which includes all of the instruments that will be playing in this section. Third and final mode is the soft mode, which when activated will count down to the next section and play it at that point. In this instance, I'm going to loop the chorus so you can hear the difference between the 2 dynamic modes. As you can hear, the soft mode plays through the song, but in a much more delicate arrangement and can be excellent for creating reflective sections or creating a more intimate feel. It does it by stripping back the instrumentation and creating a softer dynamic within that section. All these tools are designed to help you make a dynamic and flexible worship service. Thanks for joining us for this informative video looking at the iSingWorship application. I hope you've seen just how flexible and easy a tool this can be in inspiring and engaging other people in worship. If you have any questions, you can refer to our FAQs or guide on our website. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment, like or subscribe for more iSingWorship content. That's all from us for now. We hope you guys continue to engage God's people in praise. Oh, there's no